iGoBanking.com. Real simple, real smart. Let's see how that measures up in this review of iGoBanking.com. This review is done by banktruth.org. Be sure to check on our homepage for our best rates and also for our bank reviews. And we do have a review of iGoBanking.com, and it talks about all the products and services which will be covered in this video if you want to review that, or you can watch our videos in our banking video section. So let's get down to the nitty-gritty. This is iGoBanking.com. I don't know if it would get an award for web design because honestly it hurts my eyes. Just way too many colors, way too many flashy things, distracting pictures that, I don't know, just kind of an ugly site. Second thing to note is it's very hard to read and it doesn't give you very much information. It's trying to be very short and concise. The only problem is you want information on your site. One example of this is in their rates chart. There's nowhere to get more information. If you click open my account, I would like to start a new application. Next step. Okay, you want to see what this rate is, so you click it and it takes you back to this thing. Many people have been confused by this 3-month CD at 1.34% because there's 3 stars there, and then the next rate is 0.5%. Does that make sense? No. It says new money only. What does that mean? So there you have it. Kind of confusing. So then you come in here and all the rates are just taken to that chart. It doesn't say when this chart was updated or if it's accurate. Well, yes it does. 7/30. So a couple weeks ago. Alright, moving on. The products they offer. Savings, checking, CDs, money market. Those are the ones we're paying attention to. With their CDs, since we were already there, let's talk about the penalties. They are quite strict on their penalties, and that's why if you want a good CD account, you got to go to our best rates chart and go to our CDs chart page. And often we'll only have 1 to 2, 3 banks because honestly a lot of CD accounts, don't offer that good of benefits. For example, this Ally CD account, there's only 2 months of interest penalty for early withdrawal, whereas the iGo CDs for a year or more, they charge you 6 months of interest. So if you had a 12-month CD and you withdrew it, then you would have only earned interest for 6 months because they'd penalize you those other 6 months. With iGoBanking.com, for a 5-year CD, they only penalize you 2 months. And their rates are better than iGoBanking and better than any other bank. So that's why we have it fine-tuned and your choice is easy. Now, we wanted to talk about their other accounts. Their savings account are quite competitive, not as high as Discover and Ally Bank and some of the other banks listed on our savings account page. And their money market accounts, highly competitive interest rate. Yes, now we have to go click rates, and there we are, 1.2%. Once again, not the best, but it is higher. It's a lot higher than those big banks like Chase and USAA and things like that, Bank of America even. So what is the benefit of iGoBanking? Well, they were a bank who came and said, we're going to jump into this market, and then once they hit the ground running, they realized they can't compete with some of the best banks and best rates. So they keep their checking and their CDs and money markets competitive, but not the best. And as far as user friendliness, it's lacking. You can't make the text bigger if you can't see the screen, and as far as our website goes, just not very much information. So we'd probably give this a 2.5 star for the website, and for the rates probably a 4 star. So thank you for watching this video, and be sure to tune into banktruth.org next time.